energy was everything. So it just made my work so much easier. So I mold her and put her under the dryer. And when I took her out, then I finessed my cut, as I would like to say, finesse it. So this is the Nairobi foam, one of my favorite foam. And that's me getting into the mold. Look at that. Her hair was just behaving. Ooh, look at that. Yes, look at me. I'm so happy. Today was such an amazing day. We had so much amazing makeovers today. I can't wait to post the rest tomorrow. Okay, so that's me just combing her out, and then I'll go in and texturize the end, of course. And when I say texturize with the shears, the texturize and shears, just to make sure everything falls into place properly. And you guys know I love my round brushing technique. It just smooths the hair out, give the hair that extra shine, and of course it gives us some more volume. So this came out amazing. I wish I had a picture of her hair before, so we could do like a before and an after. She is so beautiful. Came out so nice. Love it. Yes. Oh my God. It's just such a big production. My clients be happy. Well, of course, I'm extremely happy. And I just thank God every day that I do something that brings joy not only to my clients, but to me also. I'm so grateful for that. And yes, we are happy. And that's me. Just it was raining today, so I used a lot of hairspray. And ooh, Jew popping.